Clint from 50 Campfires here. I ran into this really cool company called Paddle North. They have a product that I've never seen before that I got to show you. So I'm here with Peter from Paddle North. You're probably familiar with the big kind of foam rollout things that you can push out into the lake. They're kind of heavy, kind of bulky. You guys have a new product that is kind of blowing my mind. Tell us a little bit about this thing.
Blowing your mind. I like the pun there with the inflatable. We call it the Sport Utility Dock. It's kind of an evolution of product for us, where we've done the foam mats for a while, we've done inflatable paddle boards for a while, and this kind of combines the two, where we take the material of our inflatable paddle boards and essentially make a big inflatable, dock to hang out on the water.
So how long is this thing? It's huge.
So we've got one size. It's a 5 foot by 15 feet, which looks huge in this atmosphere, but on the water, it's the right size for just kind of hanging. It's got a 2,000 pound capacity, actually.
That's insane.
Yeah.
So, and this thing, I mean, it's like,
it's rock hard,
it's
right?
Rock hard.
Yeah,
it's crazy.
It doesn't feel like a typical inflatable. I mean, at these type of events, we get people coming and touching it and walking away thinking it's a solid board, and how are they going to get it home? But
and
completely air-filled. So.
And you guys are running video of people standing and fishing on it, and you got a cooler on it, and I mean, it's amazing.
It's totally versatile. I mean, we've done things like putting hammocks and lawn chairs and coolers to, kids soaping it up and doing big slip and slides on it too.
And now, so how much does this thing weigh?
Yeah, inflated or deflated, it's about the same, but yeah, the 15 feet actually rolls up, the 5 feet remains. It's going to be in a duffel bag about the size of golf clubs and right about the 45 pounds to carry.
Absolutely amazing product. And what is it retail for, Peter?
$7.95 is the deal here.
$7.95. Yeah. Fantastic. Well, thanks for taking the time.